Number 16A, this is a Sub-Zero side-by-side refrigerator. It's an old one, but it works nicely. It's got an ice maker. Looks like the seal probably needs to be adjusted right here. It has a little ice built up. This is year. What is the year? Where are you? Trying to look. Where is the year? 2000. Oh, there you go. April 2000. That baby's been around for a while, but it is clean. Refrigerator side. Again, super clean. You can see 0-degree freezer, 40-degree refrigerator. All the glass is good. It does have a little chip right there. You can see right there. Maybe a little touch-up paint. If you guys want an inexpensive refrigerator, this is a Sub-Zero 642 dual refrigerating system. Still going strong. Look how clean it is, guys and girls.